Meaning of Essex.
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 Essex. Essex is a county in the southeast of England. Its name comes from the Old English word Eastsex, which refers to the people who lived in the area. Essex has a rich history, with evidence of Roman settlements and important Anglo-Saxon kingdoms. Today, it is known for its beautiful countryside, charming towns and villages, and seaside resorts. The county is also an important economic hub, with a strong focus on industry and agriculture. Essex is home to a diverse population and is proud of its cultural heritage.